Diabetes natural remedies. Diabetes or diabetes mellitus is a lifestyle disease. It is a cluster of metabolic diseases characterized by high blood sugar levels. Diabetes is caused by the inability of the organ pancreas to produce enough insulin, or the body cells are unable to respond to the insulin. Insulin regulates the metabolism of glucose, fat, protein, and carbohydrates. High level of sugar in the blood causes different symptoms like increased thirst, frequent urination, and increased hunger. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is extremely nutritious and great for diabetes. The plant is high in insulin polypeptide P and has the power to bring down to normal fasting blood sugar level. It is advised to consume bitter gourd once a week in the form of curry or sabzi. Fenugreek. One of the most commonly used herb in the kitchen, fenugreek is also known for its many great benefits. The herb is rich in nutrients that help improve glucose tolerance, control diabetes, improve the secretion of insulin, and bring down to normal fasting blood sugar level. Mango leaves. One of the greatest effective home remedies for diabetes is fresh mango leaves. Mango leaves are known to have multiple benefits, including lower blood pressure and treating gall and kidney stones, but one of the biggest benefits of consuming mango leaves is that it reduces sugar levels. Amla. Amla is rich in vitamin C and is popular to work well for managing sugar levels. It can also help your pancreas to produce optimum in order to keep your sugar levels. Water. Diabetes can increase the risk of dehydration. In a bid to reduce the excess glucose, the kidneys try to pass out the excess sugar through urine, but that also means that it takes water. Hence, higher the sugar level, the higher the water consumption.